Welcome to Kitchenesia, your go-to channel for everything kitchen inspiration and design. Today, we're exploring the timeless debate, modern versus classic kitchens. Stay with us till the end to discover which style suits your home best and find ideas to transform your kitchen beautifully. Let's dive in. A sleek modern kitchen embraces simplicity with its clean lines and matte white cabinetry. The minimalist black hardware and quartz countertops blend seamlessly with integrated smart appliances, creating a harmonious space filled with natural light and subtle greenery. This design highlights both beauty and functionality. Transitioning to timeless elegance, a classic kitchen showcases rich mahogany cabinets and ornate brass handles. Marble countertops with intricate veining and vintage-inspired pendant lighting add warmth and charm. The large farmhouse sink anchors the space, inviting a sense of tradition and comfort that never goes out of style. In a monochromatic modern kitchen, cool grays and whites dominate the scene. Handleless cabinets and high-gloss finishes complement a large island with bar seating, while geometric backsplash tiles add a touch of artistic flair. This space celebrates refined simplicity and modern sophistication. Soft cream cabinetry and detailed crown molding define this classic kitchen. Butcher block countertops and a traditional range cooker blend effortlessly with antique brass fixtures and floral wallpaper. The warm ambient lighting creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere perfect for cherished home moments. Bold navy blue lower cabinets contrast beautifully with white uppers in this contemporary modern kitchen. Gold hardware and marble countertops with waterfall edges add luxury, while minimalist open shelving displays elegant ceramics, balancing form and function with artistic grace. deep green cabinetry, and a white subway tile backsplash with dark grout set a vintage tone. Paired with warm wooden floors and cozy textiles, the classic kitchen invites a sense of timeless charm, enhanced by antique brass lighting and a traditional apron front sink. Ultra-modern design shines with floor-to-ceiling glass cabinetry and matte black countertops. Integrated LED lighting beneath floating shelves accentuates the minimalist island's sharp edges, creating a sleek, futuristic atmosphere that remains warm and inviting through thoughtful details. Traditional charm is evident in white Shaker-style cabinets and pastel walls. Marble countertops and antique brass faucets complement a cozy breakfast nook with patterned cushions and wooden chairs, making this classic kitchen a welcoming retreat for relaxed mornings and leisurely meals. Soft beige and taupe tones define this streamlined modern kitchen. Simple cabinetry, recessed lighting, and a large quartz island are highlighted by subtle metallic accents, creating an understated luxury that feels both comfortable and sophisticated. Warm oak cabinets with intricate paneling and dark granite countertops characterize this classic kitchen. Classic pendant lights with glass shades and vintage-inspired tiled floors add personality and depth, blending tradition with enduring style. Bright white walls and cabinets paired with light wood flooring create a minimalist modern kitchen that feels spacious and airy. Stainless steel sink and appliances are balanced by small potted plants, bringing a touch of nature into this clean and inviting space. Soft gray cabinetry and white marble countertops define this classic kitchen. Traditional molding and antique brass knobs complement a large country-style wooden dining table, fostering a cozy and welcoming ambience perfect for family gatherings. Bold black cabinetry contrasts with white marble countertops in this modern kitchen. Matte gold fixtures and a glass backsplash with subtle geometric patterns enhance the high-contrast, stylish environment, making a statement with every detail. Light blue cabinetry and white subway tile backsplash set a charming tone in this classic kitchen. Butcher block countertops and vintage-style brass lighting paired with classic pattern floor tiles evoke a nostalgic, cozy feeling. Open shelving and white minimalist cabinets create a bright modern kitchen filled with airy space. Concrete countertops and built-in appliances emphasize clean design, while large windows invite natural light to enhance the openness. Rich cherrywood cabinets and granite countertops offer warmth in this classic kitchen. Traditional pendant lighting and a large farmhouse sink with apron front, along with subtle decorative moldings, create a space that feels both elegant and inviting. Soft pastel cabinets and matte black fixtures define this modern kitchen. White quartz countertops and sleek integrated appliances blend with decorative open shelving, where tasteful ceramics and greenery soften the overall look, balancing modernity with warmth. Thank you for watching Kitchenesia. We've covered the key differences between modern and classic kitchens to help you choose the perfect style for your home. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and seeing your kitchen ideas.